Let's carry on. I think it's 3 minutes past time. However, we don't have enough time, okay? But I hope you can all hear me clearly. So, first of all, my name is Dijo, and one of On Point FX team members, and we've been trading for the past 4 years on Forex trading. Now, Forex trading is just the foreign exchange. This goes to those who don't know anything about Forex trading, okay? Forex trading goes to Forex trading is just abbreviation for the foreign exchange market, whereby we actually buy and sell. That's what we call currencies. Okay, we call something gold, we call something crypto, etc., etc. So forex is not just about only cryptocurrencies. Okay, just like we go to the United States, in the US, they don't spend Ghana cedis, right? So what they do is you have to sell your Ghana cedi to buy the US dollar. So that's what we call foreign exchange. You are selling your currency to buy another currency. Okay. We actually started this forex trading tour around Ghana. We've been to Tamale, we've been to Sunyani, we've been to Sechi, we've been to Accra, and some parts of Kumasi as well. But I think most of those who were informed about our coming were not able to make it. So we decided to actually host it online so that you could also have a feel of what actually happened. Okay. Now let's quickly look at what we're going to speak about. Now, first of all, let's look at the topics we're going to cover since we have some few minutes to spare. So basically, we're going to look at understanding the forex markets. Now, I mean, understanding the forex market is basically means that forex trading is universal. Anyone can trade forex trading, provided that you have a stable internet connection, you have a computer, your trading desk, and let's say a forex book, let's say a notebook or a diary, purposely for trading. Okay. Now, Forex was first meant for people who had a lot of cash, okay, in their, in their banks or in their system. Those were the only people who could trade Forex. Like, I mean, we're talking of billions or millions of money. But then they decided to bring Forex trading down for people such as you and I to also trade. So we are termed as the retail traders. Okay, so if you go to YouTube, you go to Telegram, TikTok, Instagram, other platforms, you realize that a lot of traders are actually profiting from the market. But the thing is, only few traders are profiting, whilst others are just doing what YouTube content. Okay. So we, on the other hand, here we train people on how to trade the forex market well. Okay. Because you actually have lots and experience in the market, and we decide to also what mentor or guide you on what to do. Forex trading is simple, just that a lot of people have made it look difficult. Now, forex trading is not about, let's say, gambling with the charts. Okay, what you need to do is like you have to analyze what we call price levels. Okay, now for instance, the banks around the world also trade forex, right? So imagine, let's say, you deposit your savings. Let's say you open a savings account and you deposit money inside us. Let's say your savings. Now, what happens is that the banks, aside using your money for loans, what they do is that they also use your money to trade. So how would you feel if, let's say, you saved yesterday, you placed like 50 CDs in your account as at yesterday, which was Friday. Then let's say this coming Monday, you go to the bank that you're going to withdraw your money, and the bank tells you that, oh, your money is no longer in the system. How would you feel? It's going to be very bad, right? So what happens is that the banks also would trade forex. They have mathematicians, they have, let's say, financial analysts, they have accountants, etc., etc. All these people are doing calculation to trade with your small money deposited with them. Okay, so they don't gamble with your money like MindBet or SportyBet or like Aviator. No, that is not forex trading. So you see, banks are also careful in trading because it's your money. So as an individual, to all you need is just your PC and your mouse to just click whether you want to buy or sell. Okay. Now, as I said, Forex is not a gambling platform. Okay. And it's not like multi-level marketing whereby you go and bring people to come and join you and another three people come and join you and all that. No, that is not Forex. Okay, Forex is you working with your own capital. Okay, now every day about $7.2 trillion. Okay, I'm talking of $1 trillion is released in the market. Okay, so what happens if at least you get maybe $1 just for a day, maybe one day you just make $1, you withdraw, used to buy something to eat and all that. It's okay, right? Yeah. So even in getting a $1, it's not also easy. You have to actually work for it. Okay. Now, forex trading requires patience. It requires consistency. Okay. If you don't have all these abilities that I've mentioned, then forex is also going to be difficult for you. But then we are going to act as mentors to guide you on how to what trade and be profitable on the market. Okay. Now take note, forex is not a scam. If anyone says, oh, forex is a scam, probably that person went to bet or gamble with a chance and it didn't end well for him or her. But forex trading is not a scam. Okay. Now in trading, we have what we call the fundamental and the technical analysis. Okay. So we are more of like pure price action traders, or let's say naked traders. We don't use what we call indicators to trade. Okay. In our way of trading is very, very simple. All you just need to do is to maintain a clean chart. Okay. So with the technical, it's all about analyzing the forex market and drawing your conclusions. Now we call something confluence. Confluence is just like the list of factors that makes sure the trade is actually going to what buy or sell. But before I carry on, trading is all about buying or selling. Now, what are you buying or selling? You're just talking about price. So here you are doing everything at the comfort of your own home. You don't need to walk anywhere to trade. Once you have a PC and a stable internet connection, you're okay, you're good to go. Now, with the fundamental analysis, that is, let's say, using news to trade. Maybe you hear, oh, this country is doing that. So definitely it's going to affect the currency. Then that is where other traders come and set in. So in trading, we have news traders and we have technical traders. We are purely technical and news traders at the same time. Okay, that is it. Then the next one we're looking about risk management. Okay, risk management. So in trading, you don't just get up and put all your capital. For instance, let's say I deposit 100 CDs with my broker. So the broker is more of like the individual between you and the what? The foreign exchange market. You don't just get up and say you're going to deposit your money anywhere. No. You need a broker to help you fund your account. So let's say I deposit 100 CDs in my account that, oh, I want to trade. I'm just giving a low figure, okay? You deposit 100 CDs in an account that you want to trade. You don't have to risk the entire 100 CDs. Okay, what you do is you say, okay, fine, I want to risk, let's say, 10 CDs or 20 CDs from my capital. So if my analysis is correct and the trade goes my way, I'm going to be what? Very, very profitable. Okay, so it's more of like you are risking something small for something big. In every business, you need to risk before you make an effort of being more profitable. Okay, now in risk management, a lot of traders don't know much about risk management. What they do is that once they start trading, they just decide to deposit everything into their like their trading account. They want to trade with their entire capital, which is wrong. Okay, as a disciplined trader, you don't need to deposit your entire capital and trade with your entire capital. No. All you need to do is to just trade some few portions of it, like you're risking it for something more. Okay. Then we talk about developing trading plans. Now, with forex trading, you don't just get up and say, I want to be a millionaire the next day. No, it's a process. If you give yourself 3 months or 5 months, or let's say a year, okay, depending on your trading style or on your level. In trading, we have what we call scalpers. So scalpers, what they do is that anytime they place their trade, let's say buy or sell, what they do is that they wait for some few minutes. Once they see profit, they are out. Okay. Then from there, we have what we call the intraday traders. Now, with the intraday traders, what happens is that they hold their trade for, let's say, one day. They don't keep long. Okay. Now, when it comes to the third one, we have what we call swing traders. Okay, Nazara, I can't hear audio. I don't know why. I think it's your settings. Okay, kindly check your settings. Yes. So in trading, okay, we have what we call the swing traders. So the swing traders actually hold their trades for, for days or even weeks. Then we have the position traders, which are meant for the bigger institutions like the banks, hedge funds, or other bigger companies. They could hold their trade for months or even years. But as retail traders like you and I, we could just make what we can profit from the market, let's say in a day, then okay, we are done. Then if there's another, okay, sorry about that. I had a chat. Okay. Now, so if there's also another opportunity the next day, we also sit down and what trade. So in trading, all you need is your strategy. Now, to us, you've been trading for more than 5 years now, and we have a lot of experience in the market. If we should allow you to pass through what you've been through, I don't think it will be what it will be easy because trading is not easy. I'm sure some of you have actually traded and you've encountered a lot of challenges whereby sometimes you risk everything, then the sorry, all right. Yeah, in trading, we don't risk everything. I know some of you traders just place your trades, then it's like you want to collect all the cash on the market. There's no risk management. You don't apply any stop loss or whatever. Yes, that is gambling. Okay, in trading, you need to plan. Okay, I want to place my trade at this level, at this price level. I want to close my profit at this price level. I want my stop loss to be at this price level, should in case the trade doesn't go my way. Okay. So trading is simple. It is only left with you to what? Organize yourself and place your entries accurately. Okay. Now, I know some of you might have joined the meeting late, but then I'm sure most of you have a fair knowledge about what forex trading is all about. So forex trading is all about forex trading is all about what? Buying and selling of currency pairs. We don't do any other thing on the chart apart from what buying or selling. Okay. So as I said, before you trade, you need to I think someone is actually drawing. Kindly Okay, so as I was saying, what you need to do as a trader or what you need to have as a trader is one, you need a stable internet connection. You need what we call a computer. Okay, I would advise you not to trade on your phone unless maybe you've actually made your analysis on your PC and you want to place the trades on your phone, but never place or never make your analysis on the phone. No, if you do that, it will get you somewhere you don't want to get. Okay, so please don't be making your analysis on the phone. Okay, now I also like to add that you need let's say a comfortable area, probably in your home or anywhere whereby you feel comfortable. Okay, whereby you have a relaxed mind to what you trade. Trading is from Monday to Friday, excluding weekends. Okay, it's from Monday to Friday, excluding week, and it's a 24-hour system that keeps on what running. Okay, so you can get a trade on Monday, you can get a trade on Tuesday, you can get a trade on Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. Saturday and Sunday are for relaxation. Okay, now I'd like to briefly talk about the advantages and the disadvantages of trading. So the first one is you have access to your financial freedom in trading. Okay, once you are profitable per the strategy you are using, okay, you don't need to go around begging or asking people for money. No, you are making your own profits. You can what withdraw, cater for your expenses or your utility bills or whatever, or even food to buy. You can even dash someone what money. Everybody would like to learn trading, but just that the secret to your success also what lies with you. So in trading too, there's what we call high liquidity. There's always what movement of money on the financial market. So it's just left with you to what use the opportunity to grab. It's just left with you to use the opportunity to what? To grab a piece of the profits and just leave. You are not supposed to be sleeping on the charts the whole day, no. Unless maybe you're a swing trader or you're a scalper. Okay. Now, the disadvantage of trading is one, I'll talk about the risk. The risk is very, very important. Okay. In trading, you need to be a risk taker. If I'm saying a risk taker, I'm not necessarily saying that you have to risk your entire capital. No, you just need to risk a small part of your capital for what? A bigger part of profit. Okay. Now, on the second one too, I'll talk about greed. Per our way of teaching, I think there's no trader who actually handle that in their first month of trading. They are always what? Profitable. Because whatever we teach you works 100%. Or even someone will say there's nothing like 100% in this world. So I'll say 99.999%. Yes. So the strategy is actually working. But then when after we are done teaching you or training you, what happens is that we'll guide you, we'll give you some principles, some rules you're supposed to follow. So that if you're making the money, you don't go outside of what those rules, because if you go outside of those rules, it's going to affect you. And trust me, when you get your first stop loss in trading, it's very, very, very painful. Okay. So that is also one, greed. Now the last one is impatience. Trading requires patience. If not you have patience, I'm not saying you're going to sit down somewhere and join queue or wait for someone. No, no, that's not patience. Patience is if the trades, okay, are not hitting your price levels, you don't place any trade. Sometimes a full week, you don't get any trade. How we get what I'm saying? So patience is very, very important. Patience pays a lot. Okay. And take note, in Forex, time is money. So you have to make sure you you have to make sure you take your time and place a trade. So I'll conclude it here and I'll let Mr. Sadat come and take over. So first of all, my name is Dijo, and you can save my number as 020-989-7506. So I'll let Mr. Sadat come and take over so that we can wrap up everything. Okay? Very good.
Yeah, hello. All right. Um, as Mr. Dijo said earlier on, trading is all about what consistency. Understand? I hope everyone can hear me, please. Yeah. So it's all about consistency, and I always say that as a trader or anyone who wants to become a very good trader, you have to do what? You have to learn this language. This is a language you have to learn. And when you learn the language, trust me, you are going to be very, very, very what? Good in trading. You understand? Because when you see the chart, it prints out candles. You understand? And the candles are what? The candles are informations which are being printed. And you, a trader, you have to understand what the print of the candles are what relating to. You get me? And so when you understand that, it means you are what? You are very good and you can what? You can be able to what? Understand where the market is going to. The market is all about what? It's just two sides, either buy or sell. You understand? But how do we buy or sell? We have to buy when we understand where the market, the bullish or the buyers are taking the market to. So someone is here, he does not understand what a buy means. You understand? A buy simple means when the market is what? Appreciating to the what? Upwards direction. And a sell means when the market is dropping, like the market is moving, is descending, that means that's a sell. And so as a trader, you just have to what? Master these two things and you are good forever. Like you are good, you can be able to do what? You can be able to what? Make your money and know the right time to buy or sell. So like an example is you see when I cited an example earlier on when I was in that was in Accra or Tamale. Trading is all about what? Let's just say you are a farmer, right? You are a farmer, and then you go to you always buy stuff, farm stuff, and you wait for when the products or when farmers harvest. You and I know that when farmers harvest, the price is always what? Very, very what? low, because at that time there's a lot of there's a lot of harvest in the market, and so the farmers will price their product very low, and you can buy it at that early stage. And so when you leave it to what for a longer time, trust me, scarcity will make it what very expensive, and you can sell. So you see that difference when you bought the price you bought it at that time, it was very less, and the price you are now what selling when the market hits is high, you sell, you make a lot of money. And so that's how trading is all about. And so as you are looking at the screen, can you see the screen? For those of you that have not seen, who are new to the market, you can see the charts here. Okay, so these are what? These are the candlesticks. Okay, these are the candlesticks. Sorry, I think the internet. All right. Sorry. The internet was just messing up a little bit, but we are back again. Thank God. We did Ghana, so you have to what? Understand. All right. So, like those of you who haven't seen the candles, these are the candle printouts. And these printouts, you see the ones in green, the candles in green, those are the buy candles. Those are the buy candles. And the ones in what red, those are the sell candles. So whenever the market is descending, that means the market is on a what? A sell trend. When it's appreciating, that means buyers are pushing the market on a what? To the top. You get me? Yeah. So that's what the market it means. And so, like I said, just learn the language. Learn this language very, very well. And when you learn the language, you are good to go. This is the best language you can ever learn in the world. Forget about Chinese, all these languages, name them. This is the best language. When you learn this language, you and your family will be what? Happy for the rest of your life. Get me? And so I always say anyone who have come here or who is here to hear what we are preaching about trading, if this is your first time, I know some of you are already traders, you understand. But if you are here new, you should understand that there's a reason for you being here. God has brought you here to what? Also learn this, and you are not learning for yourself, you are learning to what? Also what? Help others. You get me? Because when you are making money, people will ask you, my brother, what's happening? Where are you making this money from? Definitely they want to know. It's just like putting what's the name? Putting sugar on the floor. Go and come within 5 to 10 minutes, you see ants coming towards that side and they are fighting over the sugar. You get me? And so that's how you can become if you learn this and learn it very well. And so, like I said, I used 1 year to learn this. Like 1 year, I was on the market and I wasn't making any money. Like I was just trying to find out how this thing worked. You get me? And so I was just every day I kept on the market, just be looking at the market, looking. So I have a lot of strategies, like a lot. I have more than, let me say, 70 strategies. But trust me, all those strategies are time what they are, most of them, like let me just say 90% were just pure waste of time. Because as a trader, let me tell you the secret. You just need one or two strategies. Just one or two strategies. You get me? And what you update yourself on those strategies. You get me? Once you update yourself on those strategies, just those one or two strategies, you are good forever. You don't need more than three strategies. Three strategies will confuse you 100%. Like you are going to get very confused. You get me? So you just have to what? Move on one strategy. Currently, I'm trading only one strategy and I'm just updating myself. I've deleted all those 50 to 70 strategies I came up way back. I've deleted all of them. I just got to realize that Forex, you don't need many strategies because this strategy will tell you buy, another one will tell you sell, and you are like, it will just confuse you. Now you are trading 10 strategies. This one say buy, this one is saying sell, this one is saying it's consolidating. Now it will get to a point that you are very, very confused. You don't know what you have been doing. You get me? So in life, just take it simple and what relates to the market. Just get one strategy which is very, very solid, and you keep what? Updating, just learning to get to understand it very well. Like I said, it's a language here, and the language is what? It doesn't communicate to like the way I'm communicating to you guys, it only prints out information. So you, the trader, you have to interpret and understand what the market is all about. You get me? Yeah. So just from today, just be very, very, very what? Very, very, very precise. Learn if you are having more than two strategies, delete the rest away, delete the other two away, and the other remaining. Okay, just keep two strategies, which you think is very, very powerful. And if you don't have a strategy, that is why we are here to help each and everyone here. You get me? We are here to help you so that you not stay in the market for 1 year before you start making money. Like how I did. I stayed 1 year straight up, just coming up with strategies and strategies. Because the market is all about a language. For instance, if the market is supposed to buy from a what, an area of what, of demand or whatever, you have to understand why the market must prove to you that yes, it's about to buy. You get me? The market must prove to you that it's going to buy. And how does it prove to you? It will prove to you with what? Either confluences or what? Confluences are what? What the market is trying to what? Depict. What the market is what? Trying to talk to you, you the person trying to interpret the market. The market will communicate to you in a way, but not talking like I'm talking with you guys, but it will what? Print out some certain valid information which you will consider and be very convinced that yes, what the market is doing currently is about to go for a what? A buy. You understand? And the confluences must be more than 3 confluence that will convince you because you are trading with money. And as you are trading with money, you have to be what? Very, very, very what? Convinced before you move your money. If you are not convinced, don't go in. Because people, some traders are just in a hurry that when they see the market, they are just in a rush to enter a trade, which has not given any valid information or any valid what entering, and they are going in. You get me? So as a trader, before the market will move, it will communicate to you anytime the market hits a particular point or a particular area that is about to change a trend or change a what a move. It will communicate to you. Now you have to consider, mark all the what confluences. First confluence, has it met the demand? Yes. Second confluence, has it met the demand? Yes. Third confluence, has it met the demand? Yes. Fourth confluence, and you are not good to what? You are not convinced to enter a trade. You get me? You are not convinced to pick a trade. But if you don't see that, don't enter. Just be patient. Just be patient. So in the next 2 minutes, please, in the next 2 minutes, we'll post another link because we have to, the time have expired. We just did it for how many minutes? Yeah, so I'll post the link back and you rejoin the link. Just rejoin, please rejoin, okay, so that we can have the session. Okay, so please, it will be posted in the WhatsApp group so that you rejoin. Just rejoin so that we can continue. Okay. All right. So kindly hit the link again.